Hey there, YouTube. Finally got the airplane back from the extensive annual and lifter replacement. Decided to go fly to Mariposa and have lunch with my good friend Patrick. I hope you enjoy.
We got the plane back! Yay! Here we go. Tracy traffic, Centurion 503 Alpha Tango, taxi to runway 30 via Charlie. Tracy. Tracy traffic, Centurion 503 Alpha Tango, taking runway 30 for left downwind departure. Tracy. Airspeed's alive. Gear coming up. Tracy traffic, Centurion 503 Alpha Tango, left crosswind 30, Tracy. Tracy traffic, Centurion 503 Alpha Tango, left downwind 30, Tracy. NorCal approach, Centurion 503 Alpha Tango, just off Tracy, 2,400, climbing 3,500, looking for flight following to Mariposa, Mike Papa India.
503 Alpha Tango, what did you say, Cherokee?
Cessna Centurion 210.
Centurion, that's what I missed. 503 Alpha Tango, slot 5355.
5355, 3 Alpha Tango.
Alpha Tango, radar contact 4 miles southeast of Tracy, Stockholm, altimeter 3000.
3000, 3 Alpha Tango. 114.6. We did a dual VOR test right now. They are within 2 degrees, which is within limits. She's back. She's got some minor issues. 144 knots indicated, 154 knots over the ground. Oh, true. Ground speed 160. Directly over Modesto. So we got the airplane back earlier this week, and right now I'm heading over to go see my buddy Patrick for lunch. Basically just put some hours on the airplane. It's good to have the plane back. It is a hot day today.
Alpha Tango, contact coach 120.905.
120.905, 3 Alpha Tango. Norcal approach, Centurion 503 Alpha Tango level 3,500.
I'm a 503 Alpha Tango Norcal approach. I'm on that come to 2999er.
2999er, 3 Alpha Tango.
Hey, Ed.
Howdy. So somebody recognized me on that frequency. Possibly Philip, my initial instructor. He's out doing survey work. I wanted to meet him for lunch, but his schedule didn't work out. So we'll have to meet up some other time. Norcal approach, Centurion 503 Alpha Tango has the 1 minute weather and Mariposa in sight.
Number 3 Alpha Tango radar from the Cameron Squawk VFR 60 change approved.
Squawk and VFR change approved. Thanks for the help. 3 Alpha Tango. Mariposa traffic, Centurion 3 Alpha Tango entering 45, left downlane, 26, Mariposa. Mariposa traffic, Centurion 3 Alpha Tango, midfield, left downlane, 26, Mariposa. Mariposa traffic, Centurion 3 Alpha Tango, left base, 26, Mariposa. Mariposa traffic, Centurion 3 Alpha Tango, turning final, 26, Mariposa. Mariposa traffic, Centurion 3 Alpha Tango clear, runway 26, Mariposa.
Thank you for coming along. Join me next time for a trip into Monterey, where I shoot an instrument approach through the marine layer on the coast.